Greetings, coders. In this video, we're going to take a look at mathematical operators in Scheme. As we've discussed previously, basic operations start with an operator followed by the operands, and there can be one or two or many or even none in the case of something like read. We can do addition, we can do subtraction, division, multiplication, all in this prefix notation. And we could also embed another operation inside of any one of these objects, the X, Y, and the Z. Some other operations that we can perform: absolute value using the ABS operator, max, min, round, floor, ceiling, all work as we're used to in C or C++ or even math. If we wanted to calculate the square root, we can use SQRT. Calculating an exponent, we can use the EXPT. If we want to figure out if a value, a literal or a variable is a number, we can use the number question mark. Is value an integer? We can use the integer question mark. And then we can even get the remainder of the division calculation using remainder. Another way to do division is to use the quotient operator. In addition to mathematical operations, or we have logical operations. We can test if two numbers are equal to one another, or one is less than, equal, etc. We can compound these logical operations using the and or. They both the and the or allow us to do many different objects if we want to evaluate more than one. And as always, we could expand. Two could become a mathematical operation inside of here, and we could keep embedding them within. We could have multiple layers drilling down. In addition, we have the not operator. And that's it for this video.